Mom, Dad, are you feeling like a hostage in your own home, avoiding restaurants and social events because your child's sensory processing challenges? Have you been told that there is nothing that can be done and they will live with their challenges for the rest of their life? If you believe your child is stuck for the rest of their life and there is nothing else that can be done besides learning coping strategies, this video is not for you. Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how the brain moves through an efficient trajectory of development and how understanding this trajectory has changed the lives of families like yours. And you can be amongst hundreds of families who see and enjoy results. Are you our next family? Understanding a healthy trajectory of development is the first step. I have put together a free 1 hour training that addresses the common misconceptions that are holding your family from reaching their optimal potential. If this video gives you hope you are looking for, drop me a link below this video and I'll give you free access to the workshop. I'm not going to ask for your email, my gift to you for watching the video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dr. Alex Vujnovic. I'm your trusted neuro-based chiropractor and your local leader in brain development and owner of Power Within Chiropractic. And we have helped over 100 families get their child's life back on track using our Brain Blossom program and specific brain-based strategies. Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how the brain moves through an efficient trajectory of development and how understanding this trajectory has changed the lives of families like yours. And you can be amongst hundreds of families who see and enjoy results. Are you our next family? So let's talk about this diagram that's in front of you guys. Let's start with the newborn. What is their primary seat of function or tools of processing? It's in the brainstem, guys, and those are called infantile movement reflexes, or IMRs. It's a survival thing, and it's built in our reptilian brain, the brainstem, and by age 1, we move into the next sharper tool for processing, which is movement touch. And so if that is our next primary tool of processing, what could you expect to see as a behavior for this child? Yes, you are correct. They are engaging in hyperactive behavior. Absolutely appropriate, 100% expected. The issue is that at 1, we don't call it hyperactive behavior, but at 10, we do. Movement touch is still not the best tool we have for processing. So the next thing is we move into auditory verbal, where we are making utterances and noises, and that eventually turns into sophisticated language. And we're talking and communicating and taking our world in through auditory standpoint. Again, not the most sophisticated tool. Our most sophisticated tool is our visual cognition. Very complex, but let's simplify it. It's our ability to take world visually with our eyes, but also our ability to use our prefrontal cortex to be able to make pictures, have visualization, and see past, future, organize our thoughts, and have rational thoughts, and have cognitive flexibility. If we have indicators of inefficiency, let me give you an example. If we go into a forest to chop down a tree, we'd like to have a chainsaw. But if the tool we have is an axe, then we have a less efficient tool. We will get the job done, but it's going to take us a lot more work to be able to do that. Gap in early tools, less efficient tools like primitive reflexes, movement and touch, and auditory verbal will impact the way we move through development and have more efficiency in the higher tools. If we're building a house, just like we're building a brain, we want to have a really solid foundation. But if we have gaps in development, the lower brain tools, that will create a foundation like gravel. We don't want to build a house on gravel, and we don't want to build a brain on gaps in development. That will impact the tools above, and it will ultimately impact our visual cognition. Understanding a healthy trajectory of development is the first step. Knowing where an individual is on the hierarchy is essential. I have put together a free 1 hour training that addresses the common misconceptions that are holding your family from reaching their optimal potential. If this video gives you hope you're looking for, drop me a link below this video and I'll give you free access to the workshop. I'm not going to ask for your email. My gift to you for watching the video.